Hello, welcome to Even Beyond. I am Varun. In this HTML tutorial video, we will talk about block and inline elements. I will be using the previous video nesting elements example code to explain block and inline elements. If you have not watched the previous video, do watch that first. Video link is given in the description below, or you can get the code from the link given in the description as well. In HTML, we have two important categories of elements: block level elements and inline elements. Let us see through this example code that we have from the previous lesson, what the difference between block level element and inline element is. So let me just run this, and here is the output. Just right click on this. In the last video lesson, I had also told you about view page source. Here in this case we require to inspect this. Click on inspect element. This is Chrome browser specific instruction, but you can have the same option in another browser. Here opens the dev tools, and in the element section by default you can see all the HTML elements. So here we have body element, h1, p, and if you expand this, you can see the strong and em, these elements that we had used here. So let us have a look at h1. When we take the mouse over this, see on the top, it shows the space that this element takes up. Okay, similarly take the mouse over p, and it shows the amount of space the paragraph element, the p element, takes up. And now takes the mouse to strong, and similarly on em. Do you see any difference? The difference here, let us see again, is that the h1 element is taking up the whole width of the browser. Similarly, p element is taking up the whole width, but a strong element and em element, this takes up the only width that the containing text takes up. So that is the primary difference, and that is how you can recognize the difference between inline and block level element. So from this you understand that em and strong, these two are inline elements, and p and h1 here are block level elements. That's the difference. In the coming lessons, you'll come to know about more elements which are block and more elements which are inline. That is all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.